To use the CashBuddy app, start by downloading and installing it from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also be required to set up a 4-digit PIN for added security. After creating your account, you will be taken to the app's dashboard where you can view your current balance, transaction history, and available cashback offers. To add money to your CashBuddy account, navigate to the Add Funds section and select your preferred payment method, such as bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. To earn cashback, browse through the available offers and select the ones you are interested in. You can filter offers by category, such as food, shopping, or entertainment, to find deals that suit your needs. Once you have selected an offer, follow the instructions provided to complete the purchase and earn cashback. CashBuddy also allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. To do this, navigate to the Send Money section and enter the recipient's phone number or email address. You can also request money from others by sending them a payment request. To track your expenses and stay on top of your finances, use the app's budgeting feature. This allows you to set a budget for different categories and track your spending in real time. You can also use the app's savings feature to set aside a portion of your income each month. To get the most out of the CashBuddy app, make sure to regularly check for updates and new offers. You can also customize your account settings to suit your preferences, such as setting up notifications for new offers or low balance alerts. By following these steps and using the CashBuddy app regularly, you can earn cashback, track your expenses, and stay on top of your finances. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience with the app.